And you're the police officer.
It's not their investigation. It's all of our investigation. You see, you guys are police officers.
You dropped your box full of things there, sir. Who are you, sir?
Sergeant Geyer.
Sergeant Geyer? My name is Sean. Sergeant Geyer, how are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from here, sir.
From here where?
Let me see your screen there. Yeah, let me see your screen. What are you zooming in on? You zooming in on a particular person?
Now it's sunny.
How's it going, gentlemen? Officer Rain with the Fort Police
It was
Department.
raining all day. Now it's sunny. It's beautiful.
Hey, how's it going, gentlemen? Officer Rain with the Fort Police
It's
Department.
magnificent, right? Like I feel vitamin D.
What do you got? What are you gentlemen here doing today?
He bumped into me on purpose. It's on video. It's on video. You did it on video, so it's on video. So I want to do the proper investigation for that. Yeah.
Told me somebody had to be right here, right now, and nobody ever came, so we moved back.
Something tells me she doesn't like weed.
This event.
That's it, right there, yeah.
Buckle up, guys. Today we are diving into a series of intense First Amendment confrontations where one camera puts authority under the spotlight. What starts as a simple public audit quickly turns into heated arguments over public access, police conduct, and constitutional rights. As officers challenge the cameraman and citizens push back with the law, every minute raises the stakes. Then the scene shifts to an even more emotional confrontation where public filming sparks outrage, accusations, and a growing crowd, setting the stage for an even bigger showdown ahead.
Oh, this isn't a restricted area.
This is for police personnel only.
Oh, there's no signs or anything that attests to that?
I'm letting you know right now that you have to just stay on that side.
Oh, no, there has to be signs that restrict the area to the public, and it's not enclosed in a manner.
Well, that's what
I just wanted to talk to this guy right here. Hey, sir, how are you? Are you a law enforcement officer, sir?
Where you?
My name is Sean. What's your name, sir?
You're on the wrong side of the parking lot.
Oh, this isn't restricted, sir.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You see the fencing? You just walk
There
through
is-
the fence. Let
yeah.
me show you. Go on the other side of the fencing. I'm gonna show
Are you a law enforcement officer, sir?
Yes, I am. Go
You
on the
are?
other side of the fencing.
So I wanted to talk to you about your unlawful
Go on the
tints
other-
over
go
here,
on
sir.
the other side- go
Sir, I would
side.
ask you to just calm down for a second.
Go on the
Just
other side
don't-
of the fencing.
Just calm down.
Okay, well, you're trespassing.
I
I'm
am not.
informing you. I'm a police officer.
I am not. You
I'm
cannot make a
informing you
restricted
you're
area.
trespassing.
You
No,
cannot make a
this is
public.
restricted
This
area.
is a public area.
That side of the fence is public. This
This
side
is a public area. There's
Okay,
no signs.
I'm
There's
informing
no
you.
signs.
I'm informing you.
Let's talk
you're
about your window tint.
I'm informing you that you're trespassing.
I'd like to
Can
speak to
you-
a supervisor.
Okay, they're right inside. Go to the window.
Why are you shaking? I'm not going to hurt you, sir.
I'm certainly not shaking. You can
I'm not-
either.
can I get your name?
Yes, of course. When
What's
you get
your
on the
name?
other side. When you get on the other side of the parking lot.
But there's no signs. Look, over
I'm
here,
informing,
over
I'm
there.
informing you that you're trespassing.
But you can't make a
So here's
public
what's gonna
area
here's what's gonna
restricted.
happen. You're either going to walk to the other side of the parking lot, or I'm going to escort you to the other side of the parking lot.
But sir, over there is a restricted area.
No,
It
that's
says
fencing.
personal.
You-
It says
let-
personal.
Okay, you're gonna.
Okay,
you
don't
need to walk. You need to get on the other side.
Don't put your hands
then
on
you
me,
need
sir.
to walk. Then you need to
Don't
walk.
put your hands on
then
me,
you
sir.
need to walk.
Don't
you
put
can
your hands
either
on
walk
me.
or I will help you walk.
No. You don't need to put your hands
Yeah,
on me,
then
sir.
you don't- then
This
you
is
can
not
listen
a
to my
restricted.
instructions.
This is
Yes,
not a
you're
restricted
trespassing.
area.
You're trespassing.
No, I'm
You're
not. This is
trespassing.
public
Go on
property.
the other side of the fence. You're
Do
trespassing.
not put your
Yes,
hands
I will.
on me.
Until you're on the other side of that fence, I will. Come on. You don't tell me what to do.
You don't tell me what to do.
Get on the other side of the fence.
You don't tell me
can
what to do.
film
Get
right
your
there.
hands
Yes, I
off
will.
of me.
So now you're not
So
trespassing.
let's talk about your
So you
unlawful
can stand
tint.
right there.
Let's talk about your unlawful tint. This is not a restricted area. I'd like to speak to a uniformed officer. I would like to speak to a uniformed officer. There's 3 of you over here. Taxpayer here. Resident of Suffolk County. Officer, what's your name?
LACORT.
LAC
ORTE.
ORTE. Is that a police issued vehicle?
5997.
Is that a police issued vehicle or your personal vehicle?
I don't have to answer your question. My name is my last name.
Are you going to invoke your 5th Amendment right? This is not a restricted area.
If you come into this area, you're going to be arrested.
This is not a restricted area.
I'm verbally informing you it is.
It is not, though. It's not enclosed. You don't know the law. It has to be enclosed in a manner designed to exclude intruders. It's there you go. Enclosed. Do you know what enclosed means? It means continuous and designed in a way to exclude intruders. That's the trespassing statute.
Stay on that side of the fence.
It's called criminal trespassing in the 3rd degree.
Film all you want from right there.
Right. So let's just take a look at his. Let's take a look at his. I know that already, sir. I know that already. And I could be anywhere. I could be anywhere that's public, but I'm not trying to sit in jail for your ignorance today.
Film all you want from there.
Look at those tinted windows on his personal vehicle, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a restricted area. I'm not trying to sit in a jail cell for your ignorance, officer. Because then what happens is I I get out of jail, you're not held accountable, the charges get dismissed, but I gotta sit for several hours in a precinct. I know how this works already. But you just violated my rights, so congratulations.
I violated your rights by asking you to stand.
This is not, this is public. This is public. This is public. There's no sign saying it's restricted. Anyone could park here. There are civilians parked in this parking lot. None of the uniformed officers want to do anything about it. So what are we going to do about your unlawful tints? You're in violation of VTL. You know that having tints is an officer safety issue? Are you aware of that, officer? None of you uniformed police officers want to write another officer a ticket for his unlawful tints. It's an officer safety issue. We all care about officer safety here. I would beat the charge, I know I would, but I'm not trying to sit in a jail cell today. I've done it way too many times in my career for this ignorant officer here. He'll just be exposed online. Make sure you like and share this video to expose this clown and tyrant to the world. Officer, question for you. Hey, how are you, sir? Good, good, good. Hey, I'm working on a story about the hypocrisy of law enforcement, specifically Suffolk County, handing out tint tickets to residents here in Suffolk County when their personal vehicles have tint tickets. Obviously this is not your personal vehicle. This officer over here in his personal vehicle, he has unlawful tint on his vehicle. Are you gonna cite him for that?
No comment on that.
No comment? So you're not gonna cite him for violating New York state law?
Nope.
Why would that be? Doesn't the law apply equally to everybody?
No, we have discretion.
So you have discretion in order to not ticket fellow officers?
Anybody.
Anybody.
I do plenty of traffic stops a day, and I let a majority of them go.
Well, that's great.
But for anything,
that's great.
It could be for tints, it could be for
Speeding, anything.
Every officer has the discretion to not give out.
But don't you think, officer, that if you're using that discretion, I understand you say use it with the public, that's fine. But don't you think even if an officer of Suffolk County Police Department wrote just one officer in this whole department wrote a tint ticket, that it should be applied equally to everybody?
It could be.
Like, you're not above the law.
We could get pulled over going home, and they could write us a ticket.
Right. Have you ever been written a tint ticket?
I have, actually.
You've been written a tint ticket?
Yeah, I have.
While you've been an officer?
Nah, it was beforehand.
Okay.
I mean, you know the risk getting it, so.
Right. I understand that. I understand the risk.
Okay?
All right, take care, officer. Thanks.
No.
Thank you for talking to me. Appreciate it. Thank you. Just want to be the star of the show today, right? Kicking somebody off of public property, using excessive force to do so. You have no right to put your hands on me. You got to keep your hands to yourself. We learned that in kindergarten, don't we? Come on. You got to be better than that. What makes you above the law? Are you above the law? You must be, because you have unlawful tints on your vehicle. You can thank Sergeant Mio of the 6th Precinct for me launching this investigation. He did a great job retaliating against me. So now every single one of your cars, you at home are keeping track. No, I'm okay, sir. Thank you. I said I'm okay, sir. Thank you. You dropped your box full of things there, sir. Who are you, sir?
Sergeant Geyer.
Sergeant Geyer? My name is Sean. Sergeant Geyer, how are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from here, sir.
From here where?
What does that matter?
What?
Do you need help?
No, shut up.
Okay.
I want to know what you're doing back here, Sean.
Well, Sergeant, you know, I'm sure you do, but I'm not going to tell you. I'm just working on something really quick, that's all.
Well, there's nobody allowed back on this road. You can go to those roads.
Oh, nobody's allowed on this public road here? Yeah, it's a public road.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Well, I don't know. I know it's public, though. This is public property here.
That's Glover. This is police,
What's the name of the road?
It's not. This is part of the police.
Oh, so it's a public
yeah.
road. Okay,
No.
so it's a public road.
No. Sean, I don't understand what's going on here, buddy.
Oh, you really want to know? I'll tell you, Sergeant.
Yeah.
I'm handing out these violations here for different vehicles that I'm finding that have unlawful tint and are in violation of New York state law. Just doing my civic duty here as a resident of Suffolk County.
Gotcha.
There you go. That's it here. This is a public road, by the way, just so you know.
What's the name of it?
It doesn't need to have a name.
Does it?
No, it doesn't need to have a name to be a public road. The police department is public. What would make this road
You
private?
go down to the precinct and look, and you know what, to be honest, I don't know if this says do not enter or
I don't think it does.
To be honest with you.
Right.
But some of the precincts, it does say that.
Right.
No entry beyond this point.
Yeah, no, it didn't say that. I'm on the lookout for I don't want to go in any restriction. You need anything else, Sergeant? You need anything else? Okay, have a good day, okay? Take care.
No one is above the law, and only when citizens dare to oversee power is freedom truly protected. Did you know that simply holding a camera in public can send an entire sorority house into a frenzy, while still being completely legal?
Let me see your screen there. Yeah, let me see that screen. Yeah, you can zoom in on. You zoom in on it.
All right, guys, this is where everything escalates. A routine audit suddenly turns physical when an alleged assault is caught on camera, forcing security and police to respond under pressure. Watch how conflicting opinions, legal arguments, and demands for accountability collide as officers review evidence and decide what action to take. Every conversation adds more tension, making this one of the most important moments in the entire video because the outcome could determine whether justice is actually served or simply ignored.
Did you hear what she said? I think you're gonna have to move on, sir. I think you have to move on.
Sorry, I don't think we can.
Yeah, no, is that
Yeah, they're not now. There's girls who are under 18.
Excuse me, I'm gonna have to ask for leave. I'm gonna have to ask for leave. I have nothing to do with this, but I'm gonna have to ask you to head on down the street.
There are better things to do, man. Somewhere else to be.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Excuse me. Let's go this way. Sir. We're gonna have to call the police if you don't comply. Excuse me. I'm gonna have to ask you to move down this way. I'm gonna have to ask you to move, sir. Excuse me. How do you feel about being filmed? I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. They explicitly said that you're not filming. You have a permit? Yeah, do you want to get one? Might be good at night. One of y'all want to call?
Yeah, we're going to. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. There's some of them are minors, you know.
Yeah, I know. It's freaking weird. Guys, get across the street. What are you filming? The ZTA? What are you pointing at? What are you pointing at, sir? Are you looking for someone? You're looking for somebody? Looks like you're looking for somebody. What are you zoomed in on? Let me see your screen there. Yeah, let me see that screen.
Yeah,
What are you zooming in on? On a particular person? Hmm?
Oh, bro. Why
This is not a public space, this is a private space. You need to get moving along. Let me look at that screen. What are you filming? Just filming the house. Super creepy. You realize how creepy that is? You realize? I realize I'm basically putting you in the street here, but you're filming these people without their consent. Do you realize that? Do you speak English? You speak English? Can you please get across the street? Do you have tape? Duct tape? What are you pointing at? What did you point at? What are you pointing at? In that window.
What are you filming for?
Nothing.
He keeps pointing at that window.
Why?
Or maybe at that
Something in the
camera.
window? Oh. I don't get it. You're filming the window? Oh.
Security camera? You're filming the security camera.
Why are you filming the camera? It's kind of strange. Everyone here is really uncomfortable filming. I understand it's public, but like, we would appreciate it if you guys were to go somewhere else. Or if you were to, not you.
I'm completely with you.
Mm-hmm.
So you're filming the security camera. Why are you filming the security camera? I have some duct tape in my car and I will cover those lenses if you don't give me a clear answer. Can I ask you to move? You don't have the right to be filming a private space. That's just not allowed. Excuse me. Nope. I'm not gonna let you any closer. Why would you be filming a security camera? I'm gonna need you to answer that question. Otherwise the police will be here in a couple minutes. So why would one film a security camera? That doesn't make any sense. I can tell that you're nervous because the camera's...
Buckle up, because the final chapter brings even more powerful encounters as cameras face federal security, public officials, and event organizers determined to limit lawful activity. Instead of backing down, the citizens continue testing the boundaries of constitutional rights while exposing how different authorities react under public scrutiny. From federal installations to public events, every interaction reinforces one message: knowing your rights can completely change the outcome of an encounter. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.